sharing a quick currency conversion that is automated in Excel. So let's just get into it. This is how it works. I want to see the currency conversion between these currencies. Let's say USD to EUR and USD to AED. Let me make this bold and let's see. Let's go into data over here, click the currency tab. It's as simple as that. And then I'm just going to uh, fix their height and width. Alt H and OA, Alt H O and I. And now if I want to uh, do this, that I want their name. Now what this is doing over here is just doing for this single value. How about we do it for all the values in this column? I will just go over here and insert it as a table, then simply click on their name, click on their price, and now I have to format them once again. Alt H O A, Alt H O I. See, it's as simple as that, having a currency conversion in Excel.